Hello you absolute legends, welcome back to the channel. It's John here with a quick update, really, very quick, from the Smart Car Workshop. I've done a live video, not sure if that will also be uploaded onto the channel or not. I'm not an expert. My first live video, if you saw the live video, then this will say the same thing, so stop watching. Well, I shouldn't say that, really, should I? I should say keep watching, because my view hours and the algorithm mean a lot. Anyway, you can see that the Smart Car is now very nearly back together. We've got this rear crash bar back on. That's been tidied up and made to look a little bit more pretty. The rear suspension arms are back on. The exhaust box is back on. This wheel is back on. The wheel arch liner there is back on. We're going to just be putting the next wheel arch liner back into place. We needed to screw it back together because it's all been ripped to shreds, so I'll give those to the Smart Car mechanic, please. Thank you. We've got one of these clips to go on as well. It's a E-clip for the turbo wastegate. But as you can see, the next job really is going to be put that wheel arch liner back on, number one, put the turbo E-clip on, number two, put the wheel on, number three, put the bumper on, number four, and I suppose then we're good to go, aren't we? We're back in business. Touch wood. As you can see, all the parts and bits and pieces that we removed from the car are now back on the car. There's nothing left over that we are going to need to be putting back on. It's always good, isn't it, when you haven't got nuts and bolts and washers and bits and pieces left over. That's all back on the car. As I say, we've got this wheel back on. We've got some exploration to do on the front because the horn isn't working. Probably a simple thing, it might not even be plugged in, but that's not a major issue. And if it is, if the horn is broken, then my intention is to put a proton horn on it, because I've got one of those in stock, so there might be a proton horn on a Smart Car at some point. Malaysia and Mitsubishi meet, probably the first time anyone has ever put anything proton on a Smart Car. So Dad's fitting this E-clip to the turbo wastegate. We've got a stainless steel one on the way. We'll be putting the wheel arch liner back in. Well, it's in, but it just needs screwing into place. And the back bumper will be going on. And then, you know what that time that'll be. It'll be road test time. Inside's looking a bit cleaner, a bit nicer. It needs a good old clean out and hoover out and tidy up. And just a general polish and hoover out. But apart from that, we'll be then good to go on the Smart Car Workshop. I don't know what I'll be doing next. I'll need to find something else for Dad to repair, no doubt. Thanks for watching this update. The next update will be, it's out, it's ready to rumble, and it's going. I might even take you along on the road test. Until then, have a great day. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and the TikTok. It's @John Coupland, all one word. Until then, take care, drive safe. Ta-ra!